It really frustrates me to see videos on YouTube about how to come up with ideas for videos, and they only tell you half the truth of how they actually come up with their ideas. Because obviously they're doing something right. They only tell you half the secret because they want you to buy some kind of course or they're just looking for views. I mean, both of them are valid excuses, but I'm trying to provide real value to you guys. So they only tell you half of the secret because A, they don't know the secret themselves, or B, they don't want you to know it. And another thing is, they're already huge on YouTube. So how do you know that this is the actual strategy that they used to grow on YouTube whenever they're already huge? And at this point, they're just raking in views for their recurring revenue. So stick around because I'm going to show you how I make videos that rank high consistently, even though the competition that I'm ranking with has thousands or even millions of views. So first off, we're going to have a prerequisite. We're going to need some ideas to use this strategy. So you're going to have like a small backlog of ideas, maybe 2 or 3 to test out during this video so that you can actually, get some experience using it yourself, and then you can work it into your process later on. So despite popular opinion, ideas are complete garbage. They're a dime a dozen, and anyone can come up with an idea, but it's all about execution, and I'm going to show you how to execute in this video. So first, you take your potential idea, and you put it through the search bar test. The search bar test is going to be one of 2 tests that we're going to go through in this video. Whenever you type in a potential title for the video that you want to make, YouTube's going to give you a bunch of predictions. And the higher your prediction pops up on the bar, like in the list, the more popular that search phrase is. Those are actual phrases that people are searching every day. And let's say, for example, this video right here, how to get top comment on YouTube 2019. I just made this video and we're just going to type in the title. How to get top comment. Oh, there we go. We can actually see the result right here. How to get top comment on YouTube. So as you can see, it's number 4 on the list, which means it's the 4th most popular phrase in this list of predictions. And I mean, that pretty much means a lot of people are searching for it. This is like the holy grail. Whenever you're searching for YouTube ideas, you want to see your video title pop up right there. So I'm actually searching it here, and as you can see, there's a lot of volume, 31K, 24K, 137K. Mine has only 12 views, but it's showing up with all these videos with a lot of views. I mean, 120, like whatever K, 10K. And you can also see that all these videos don't have the same exact, well, some of them have the same exact title, but that doesn't matter because there's only a few of them. How did I do this? Well, I just titled my YouTube video very well. It's how to get top comment on YouTube in 2019. That's a phrase in itself that I would search in the search bar. So I put that exact phrase into my title. And then I actually stuffed another keyword in there, YouTube algorithm explained. And that's the name of my series. So it doesn't look so spammy, I don't think. I also have a bunch of tags to relevant YouTubers like Brian G. Johnson, the tech lead, just people in the tech and YouTube niches. Do you think this only happened one time? No, let's check out some more videos that I made that also ranked in the same fashion. I have a little skit about Udemy courses, and it was kind of hard to find a title for this one, but so I just typed in the main keyword, which was Udemy, and I just went down the list to see something funny because my video was funny. I think so, at least. And when I saw Udemy ad pop up, I thought that could be pretty funny because I hate Udemy ads. And of course, whenever I actually typed in the word ad, one of the top predictions was Udemy ads are annoying. In my opinion, that's pretty funny, so I clicked it, and look, this is what I saw. But other than my own video, there's 188K, 39K, 1.3K. And And as you can see here, I ranked pretty well for this phrase, but it's not because of all the traffic. The traffic isn't necessarily a bad thing. It could be a good thing because you see there's a lot of volume coming in for this phrase. So a lot of people are searching it, a lot of people are watching videos about it or things related to it. But you really have to take a second test into account, and that's the filter test. So you click filter and then you sort. You can do upload date by this year, this month. I usually do this month. And then you can also sort by upload date, which shows you like the recent videos coming in that were made about this phrase. And as you can see here, there's only one video, which is mine. So that means that there was no competition in this area and so much volume. So we're gonna try this again with a top comment video. And we're just gonna rinse and repeat the same strategy. We're gonna go to filter, upload date. We're gonna do this month, and sort by upload date. And we're gonna look for the exact phrase how to get top comment on YouTube. And so far I don't see any of that right here. It's just a bunch of Vietnamese, which is interesting because I'm Vietnamese. We can see my video, and we still don't see any other videos that say how to get top comment on YouTube. So this is telling me that there's not much competition in this phrase like arena right now. So with all that volume and the fact that there's not much competition, I think it's a good idea to move forward with this video. So you take this strategy and you just rinse and repeat for every video that you have in your backlog, and make sure whenever you actually get that video idea that has that high traffic, low competition combination, that you write it down, because the instant, like if you walk away from that idea and you don't write it down, you're gonna forget it. And if you don't forget it, that's the exception to the rule, not the rule. A huge factor in my ability to come up with these ideas and to come up with these methods to test these ideas is programming. Because programming literally teaches you how to break things down and come up with solutions that, no one else could have thought of before because you just made it up. So if you're ready to learn how to program, I don't have a course to sell you. But if you check out the link in the description below, you can check out Free Code Camp, which is a free resource to learn how to program.
Please destroy that subscribe button ASAP.
And this is Code Tony out. Peace.